Sustainability is very important, not only in monetary ways, but also in protecting our environment. We at Lexus of Glendale really care about what happens with what we use, and one of the most important things was energy. With California's strict environmental laws, we needed to come up with a solution to meet those requirements. That's why we chose the Luxon light management system. With the Nedap system, we now already have exceeded what the requirements are. The Luxon system is a cloud-based software that allows us to control our lights from anywhere. One of the benefits of the system is that all the lights are connected. There's a network that runs through the dealership. I'm able to actually see which lights are on, when they're on, what percentage they're on. It's very, very simple. If I happen to have a light that isn't working, I get a message. I can control lights in a showroom from my office. I could control the outdoor lights from my home. One of the other items that's nice about having the software control the amount of light that is generated in a dealership is an ambience thing. We can control the ambience. We can keep it in a calm level when necessary or brighten it up when we need to. Prior to the lighting, we had lots of complaints. I can't see, this light is out, that light is out. We have none of that anymore. In our shop, we've noticed that our technicians are able to repair cars without the assistance of other types of lighting. And we've seen some absolute employee happiness with that. We're not tied into a specific brand of light. We can go with whatever is the best, whatever is the newest, whatever is the greatest, latest thing. One of the reasons that we chose the Nedap system is that flexibility. What was important at the beginning was the offers of rebates and the monetary savings that we would see in our monthly electricity bill. As we continued the project and as we started to see the actual cost savings and the energy savings, we realized that this was something that we would be able to create an atmosphere that is truly a great experience. A huge cost savings for us is on our roof. Prior to the Nedap system, we had very large, very high wattage light bulbs that were on all the time. The new system, what it does is it keeps the lights at a very, very minimal amount of usage when there's no movement. They run about 10% in the evenings. When somebody walks up, they start to light up different sections where those people are, and they'll only go up to 80%. The savings in energy cost and the savings in energy usage is tremendous. I would recommend the Luxon light management systems to all businesses. The ease of use, the affordability, the savings is amazing, but also just the importance of being environmentally friendly. It makes it an easy choice.